Samsung has been the leader in the folding smartphone market since it released the Galaxy Fold in 2019. However, Chinese manufacturers are catching up very rapidly, and it is going to get difficult for Samsung to survive this. We have seen amazing hardware coming from companies like Xiaomi, Vivo, and Oppo. We have already started to see Samsung being pushed against the wall in the flip category of folding phones by companies like Motorola. And now, OnePlus is going to declare a global war against Samsung in the flagship folding phone category through its upcoming smartphone, which is very weirdly called OnePlus Open Fold. Well, I really don't like the name, but let's hope the phone is interesting than its name. All of these companies from China have been experimenting with unique design cues, such as how thin a foldable can be, or how good a camera can be squeezed inside a foldable phone, or how lighter can we make a foldable phone. And the best one that has come out yet has been from Oppo, called Find N2 Fold. The amazing form factor on that phone is just the perfect recipe for how a foldable phone should be. Oppo is going to bring out another successor in the Find and Fold series called the Fold 3, and being under the same umbrella, OnePlus Open is expected to be built on the same platform or design language. It will be in line with the passport style form factor that we have seen on the Find N series from Oppo, or very recently what Google has employed for their Pixel folding series, which is a clear indication how Google wants foldable phones from Android to be. This passport style form factor, where you get a broader screen which is closer to traditional aspect ratio on the outside and a proper tablet style aspect ratio on the inside, makes it a perfect smartphone to carry in your pocket, because it has very minimal compromises and you don't see as huge black bars that you see on a Samsung folding design. Currently, Samsung's biggest drawback is not only that the lack of innovation, it is also that their phone or the folding phone is not slim enough, and tall form factor on the outside combined with its overall weight and thickness makes Samsung's offering feel very old and dated, as it hasn't changed much since the Fold 2, which was almost 4 years ago. On the other hand, OnePlus Open is gearing up to be the breath of fresh air in the global folding smartphone segment. We have seen many interesting folding phones in China, but very few have dared to step outside China, and OnePlus Open is going to be one of them. It is set to bring the latest hardware in form of Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 paired with a 16GB of RAM, a periscope zoom camera which will be paired with the latest Android version alongside OnePlus's own software tweaks. It will also beat Samsung on the charging speed, obviously, because it is supposed to carry a 67-watt fast charging. I think the time has come for Samsung to wake up, or its rivals will kill it in no time, and soon it will lose all the market share and head start it has enjoyed for the past few years. What are your thoughts about OnePlus Open Fold? Tell me, will Samsung be able to survive this? Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.